What's good, gunners? It's the Black Gun Guy. Welcome to the Black Gun Guy channel, where it's all about guns all the time. Today, we're going to be talking about the way you stand when you shoot, your shooting stance. I'm going to help you get better today. Your shooting stance can give you a stable platform. It can help you with a lot of things, including your accuracy. That's right. The way you stand can help you be a more accurate shooter. The way you stand can help you be a more accurate shooter. The way you stand can help you be a more accurate shooter. I'll prove it to you. Let's get into it right after this intro. I'm just kidding. It's a brand new channel. This is my first long form video. I don't have an intro. I'm not monetized. There's no reason for me to make you sit through an intro or for me to stretch this out. So let's just get right into it. So I don't know what this looks like to you. It might be mirrored, because of YouTube. This is my right. This is my left. With it being recorded, they might have put that thing down, flipped it, and reversed it. I don't know. But trust me, this is my right. This is my left. All right. So because I'm a right-handed shooter, my left is my support side. I'm just gonna say support side just in case we got any lefties out there that are watching this. Life is already hard enough for you, so I'm not gonna make it any more difficult. Um, Take your support side. You want that support side foot to be slightly forward. Support side foot slightly forward. The shooting side, your shooting side foot, strong side, whatever you call it, you want that to be back slightly, right? Maybe your toes just, past the heel of your support side, about there, right? You don't want to do a hamstring stretch, right? You don't want to be completely extended out like that. So just slightly back, give yourself a platform. Your feet, the pressure in your feet should be in the balls of your feet. So not on your toes, right? You don't want to do the Michael Jackson. You don't want to be on your heels and, get kicked back when you start feeling that recoil from the shot, right? Pressure on the balls of your feet, right? So again, support foot forward, strong foot back. Your knees, don't lock them out, right? You don't want to be pop locking and dropping with the knees, right? Not locked out. Just a relax, slight bend, right? We're not going gummy worm with it, but we're not locking ourselves in, right? You want to be able to be mobile. If you need to move, you can move. Got it? Cool. All right. Your toes are pointed towards your target, right? Like my camera is my target area. My toes are pointed at it. So coming up to my hips, my center line, my belt is pointed at my target. Make sense? From center line to my target. So moving on up to the shoulders. All right, my shoulders. Back in the day when I was a kid, man, I used to love the Ninja Turtles. I used to act like the coolest Ninja Turtle, which was Michelangelo. And if you said anything other than that, then there's there's no help for you. There's no help for you. Yeah. Anyway, this is not the time to be a Ninja Turtle, right? Get out of that turtle shell, relax those shoulders, and your head should be up. So don't overextend. Don't put your head up like you're trying to stretch your neck out. Just let your head be at a relaxed level plane. That's your stance. All right? Just like that. So, again, and I'm going to show you in a minute. I told you that this can make you a more accurate shooter. And I'm going to show you how. I'm going to show you what I mean in a moment. So, this foot, support foot forward. That strong foot, back that thing up like juvenile. Like you about to break it down for the 99 and the 2000s. Go ahead and back that thing up. Knees loose, not super loose, just not locked out. Relax. hips, center line, pointed towards your target area. Your whole center line pointed towards your target area. Shoulders relaxed. So when you draw, you come up, relax, you bring the gun up to your eye level. Cool. All right, I'm gonna show you. Sit that right there for a second. Hopefully y'all can still hear me pretty good. All right, and we can. Actually, we practice safety around here. So there's the camera. So let me see where the camera is. That should be about center right there. You should be able to see that. You see that empty magazine well, and then you see that empty chamber. All right, that's a clear gun right there. All right. So with that stance that I just taught you, my camera is my target area. I'm gonna point my front foot at my target, feet shoulder width apart. Back foot, I back that thing up like juvenile for the 992,000. Point my hips at my target, relax shoulders, and when I drop and point up, I'm right in center line with my target. Mm, Look at that. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You don't believe me? Just watch. Dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun. Told you if you don't believe me, just watch. I'm gonna prove to you natural point of aim. Natural point of aim. This is where I was telling you that your stance can make you a more accurate shooter. And this is what I was talking about. You squaring up to that target, pointing your toes, you're pointing your hip line at that target, and you lining it up, making everything pretty symmetrical. Then your natural point of aim is going to help you do a lot of the work. All right, so I don't know where it's going to be as far as north and south on this target, but if I line my center point with this target, then I should be somewhere in this vicinity, somewhere in this middle box of this target, right? Either north or south, somewhere here, based on my natural point of aim. So if I do all the things I just told you, toes pointed, hips square to the target. I don't give myself as much room as possible for this, just to show you it's not necessarily the range, it's the technique. All right. So natural point of aim, square my hips, my toes to that target, and I press up and I'm in center line. Right. My natural point of aim doing most of the work. You don't believe me? I'm gonna look at you and I'll do the same thing. All right. I'll look at you, do the same thing. Natural point of aim is doing most of the work. It's not me. It's my body naturally wants to press out symmetrically. If I press out, I'm pretty much there. Pretty much there. Pretty much there. I can go up and down. I can sweep with this just to show you the point. But if I go up, down, up, down, I'm somewhere in that center line, right? Up, down, again, up, down, and I'm looking at you. Up, down. I can't see exactly where that's going. I just know it's somewhere in this center box, north or south. That's natural point of aim. Every time. Square it up to that target, press out. I'm there. Every time. Like I said, square it up to that target, looking at you, press up, I'm there. Somewhere in that center line. I know it. I know it works. Hopefully when I go edit this video, all of those demo shots were somewhere in this box, proving my point. But if not, then doesn't mean I was wrong. They'll all be there. I'm pretty confident in that. Trust me. So you try it. Take it to the range. Go. Don't look the other way when you're shooting. Obviously, they'll probably kick you out of the range, but go to the range, practice the stance, square your hips to the target. See if that natural point of aim doesn't help you with your at least north and south accuracy. Cool? Give it a try. Come back and holler at me. So I'm gonna have more videos about your grip, about your sight alignment, sight picture, all the things shooting. So y'all come see me. Make sure you subscribe if you want to get notified about when those videos drop. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. I'll let your boy.